Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll talk about our this device menu item. Okay. Now in actual scenario in a warehouse, usually you are not going to use D365. So the workers, they will be having a gun or they might have a tablet from where they will do the entries, they will scan the products, they will move the product, they will do shipment, they will do packing. All of them will be done through the warehouse management app. Okay, now let's see how we can set up the same. Okay, so for that I will go to my warehouse management. I will go to my setups, and here the first thing is that I will go to my work and I will define my work classes. Okay, now here if you see, already we have purchase, we have sales, we have SO load, pick, transfer, everything is there. Okay, so I'm going to create a new one. So I will call it as purchase orders, P-orders, and you can say here purchase order. Okay, now work type, click here, I will select my purchase order. Okay, now here the second thing is that I will select the location type. So if you remember, let me remove this. So we have created the new location type into our last videos, right? The fresh one, picking, all those, right? So here I'm going to go with my Bedour one. Okay, now again let me click again, and here I will select my bulk. Okay, all right. Now the next thing here would be, we'll create the device menu item. Okay, so for that I can again go to my setups. Okay, I can go to my mobile device, and here I will create my mobile device menu item. Alright, I will click on new. I will give a name to my menu item. For example, let me say SCPO receive. I will show you this from front end as well. Okay, and here I can say PO receiving. Okay, I will select the mode here as work. Okay, and similarly here I think that's fine for work creation must be specified. Okay, all right. So here we have selected the mode as work, so we need to select. So what we are going to do, we are going to receive the purchase order on this one. So I will go with this purchase order line receiving. Then the next here would be icon license plate grouping. Where's my click on this generate license. All right, so I have saved it. Okay, I've created my first mobile device menu item. You will see in the app. Okay, second thing is here, let me say SCPO put away, and here I can simply say PO put away, and mode again I'm going to select work, and here I will say use existing work. Okay, now here this is a very much important one. Okay, I'm going to select my user grouping. All right, so group put away. All right, I think I'm good here. Okay, now I can define my that work class as well, the one which I created, P orders one, right? I'm going to link it. Okay, now here if you see, my menu items are ready. Okay, now I will create my mobile device menu, and let me do one thing here. I think I can create my own one. Okay, let me say it as SC test. Okay, and few minutes back we have created these two, right? So I'm going to move them here. Okay, and now the next step here will be we need to create a worker. So if I go to work, where is my worker? Here is the worker. I will click on new. Okay, I can select any worker, so let me go with this TED one here. Okay, I will select this. Alright, I can save this. Now again I can default the warehouse. For example, let's say this worker belongs to this warehouse, and now here I will create the user ID. So let me say it as toward copy. I'm going to copy this again, my warehouse, and here I can specify my menu item, the one which I created, so this one. Okay, I can save this, and here it will ask me password, so let me give a random password here. Okay, now in order to test it, what you can do, you can duplicate this tab, and so we need to basically write WHS work execute here. So let me okay, so let me write it here. So you can say question mark mi equals to action. So save this URL always. This is always going to be same. WHS work execute and company equals to company equals to USP2. I'll press enter here. Okay, here you can see the user ID is coming, so I will give the same user ID and I will enter the password. And now here if you will see, you are getting this PO receiving and PO put away. Okay, so this is exactly coming from, okay, let me show you. So here you have created your worker here, right? We assigned the site warehouse. Here is our menu item name. We enter the username and password. You can even reset the password as well, and at the same time you can, you know, assign other warehouses as well if you have multiple warehouse. Let me delete this, and now from here you can go to your menu item. We open this. Okay, and if you see inside your menu item, you have put these two menu structures. Okay, so this is your mobile device menu, your main one, the one which we created. Okay, and here the label for SC put away, for example, if you go here, so these are basically displayed in your front end. Okay, so if you say here, for example, POSS save. Okay, let me refresh this. Now if you'll again enter your username and password, make you cancel. So here you can see now the updated label is coming. Okay, so the label is being picked from your title. Okay, again there are a lot of other settings that we can do. You know, for example, we can basically set up some more restrictions here. There are many setups that we can do. So this was the basic how we can create the menu item. Okay, in the next video we'll do our actual purchase order through this cycle only. Thank you for watching this video.